In order to replace the standard Y blades on your flail mower with the lawn-mowing scoop blades, you will need the following tools: a screwdriver and wire brush for cleaning purposes, two 17mm wrenches, one of which should be ratcheting if possible, and a socket wrench equipped with a 17mm socket. Your new scoop blade kit will come with the appropriate number of blades for your mower, as well as 2 new washers per blade. And this is the proper orientation of the blade when installed. Start by positioning your flail mower like so, with the pulley casing on the ground so it sits flat. Debris that has collected under the mower, particularly around the knife fastening bolts, will make the process more difficult, so using a wire brush and screwdriver, clean the underside of the mower, rotating the drum and paying close attention to the bolts and nuts. Then, using two 17mm wrenches, remove the bolt and washer holding one set of Y blades. This will be much easier if one of your wrenches has a ratcheting end. Remove the nut and washer, then carefully remove the Y blades, making sure not to lose the washers, as these can be reused when reinstalling the Y blades. Set aside the bolt and nut, as you will reuse them when installing the scoop blades. Also, please note that the Y blades are sharp on both sides, so they can be installed in both orientations to extend the life of the blades. Repeat this process down the row until all the Y blades have been removed. Now, place one of the new washers inside one of the blade mounts like so, directly over the bottom hole. Place the other washer on top of the scoop blade, and carefully sandwich it between the other washer and the top of the blade mount. Pass the bolt up through the bottom of this assembly and install the nut on top. Since the blade mounts are offset, the bottom blade mount on one of the rows will be too low for the bolt to pass up from the bottom. For this blade mount, simply install the bolt from the top. Once all the blades have been replaced, tighten each nut, then torque to 37 foot-pounds. Note that even after torquing the nuts, you will still see some free play inside the mounts, by design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please know that we welcome your feedback and questions. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.